I was crocheting.
Crocheting, okay.
At Hollywood Studios.
All right.
How does this mic work?
It works wonderful. Also, it's really fluffy. I really
Hello?
like that.
How does this mic work?
All right.
Why isn't this mic working?
Push.
You keep talking, it's recording it.
Anyway, well, oh yeah, I was crocheting, and it's gonna be a present for someone.
Nice.
And I'm gonna make another one. It's gonna be a tiny little baby hat because
Didn't you already make a baby hat?
it's not what this one is. It's gonna be an actual hat.
Oh.
I just called it a baby hat because right now it looks like a baby hat.
We're going on a Star Wars ride I don't know the name of, but I know it's a Star Wars ride, so I'm awesome. Oh look, they're making a Monsters Inc. world. That's cool. I have nothing else to say except for we are entering a dark and spooky place. Turn it around.
And this is what Ashley does.
And Goofy.
You want a picture next?
No.
Ashley takes care of our tiki-talkie.
You take care of the editing and camera, and we take care of the fun. We're the fun division.
This is ELI's first time here on this ride.
Because I was a scaredy cat.
Because he was a scaredy cat.
Did they get back? Where's the thing now?
We'll find out in about 5 seconds.
5,
4.
2, 1. Is Darth Vader? Is that Darth Vader coming?
No.
No. It's the resistance.
First time on the ride, you scared?
No! Stop asking me!
I've asked him like 5 times. Ah!
Neither the resources nor the courage to engage us.
You underestimate their conviction. Raise the shields!
Shields.
Don't bet.
You like that? You do it again? Yeah.
More escape pods down in Sector 4. Verification pending from Heat
Who
personnel.
did we defeat?
The big bad jerk.
There you go. Heard it here first.
I'm just letting you know.
It's all right. I hope you're enjoying this video. I know it's a very short one. Yes, the helicopter. Maybe you can hear it, maybe you can't. It's all right. Anyways, yeah. Just want you guys to know that we are having one heck of a time over here. Eli. Are you having a heck of a time?
Yeah, it's raining now.
All right, guys. Thank you so much for joining us. Hope you enjoy the rest of this video. Ashley's about to tell you guys to come in, subscribe, like, and do all that other good stuff that you guys like to do. Ashley, go ahead and tell them.
Do all the things.
I do not go on the Tower of Terror because I just don't like it. Anyways, I do, however, can't wait for them to open the Rock and Roller Coaster featuring the Muppets. I am, oh look, Carolyn's doing the bunny ears on me.
Hold on.
But I cannot wait for them to open that.
They're doing that? They're doing that? They're doing the Rock and Roller Coaster with the Muppets?
Yes.
Hi there, I'm Kermit the Frog.
So yes, I won't go on the Tower of Terror. So that's a thing. Anyways, we are, however, gonna go ahead and go that way so that we can actually go to the villains show.
Never gonna catch
Hi, you guys want to see what I'm working on?
Yeah.
The Weeping Angel and the Misfortune Vampire. Weeping Angel, Misfortune Vampire.
We're moving in. We're moving.